It's such an unfortunate incident that had happened. We all know on 12th of June 2025, the Air India plane crash. I really don't know what to say, how to, offer my condolence and regret. And because one thing I know and understand is whatever I say, it can never heal the loss that the families who suffered the loss, the families of all those who were in the flight, the families of all those who were in the hostel on which the plane crashed. All I can do is I pray to God, to give all the families, the survivors, the strength to go through this pain, and God gives them the strength to go through the pain and heal from this with due time. And in this time of immense loss and suffering and the pain that the family is going through, both who were there in the flight as well as who were in the hostel, my heart goes out to them. And seriously, no one can think also that this may have happened. And whenever I'm thinking this, only one thing is coming in my mind: words not being said. Because the people who were there in that flight, many of them were going back to UK. Many of them were going for their vacation. Many of them were going for certain work. Again, the thing here is, all of them, whoever were on that flight on that particular day, they were having so many words untold. They might have been on that flight and thinking ki once we go to London or go to UK, I'm going to say this, I'm going to say that to my friend, to my family. So with all these people, what they could never say is that we have landed safely. So yeah, this is something which, again, even while I'm trying to say something on this, but honestly speaking, I'm not getting much word. And here, the people who also needs the same, the sharing of the regret are those young students who were there in the hostel, the people who were completely unaware about what's going to happen next. They might have been busy with their daily chores, daily life as a student, or whoever there in the hostel. And I'm sure just before the very moment, none of them were in that understanding or realization that the plane is going to crash on them and they are going to be no more. So it's once again prove, the fragility of life, that there is no guarantee for life whatsoever. Same with all of us. The very next moment, I also do not know whether I'll be there or not. So yes, once again with a heavy heart, my deepest condolence and regards and respect to all the survivors' family who are there, surviving families who are there, who suffered the loss, whose family suffered the loss, both in the aircraft as well as in the hostel. God give you strength, all of you, to go through this pain, because no matter what, I'm sure none of you will be able to heal out of this pain. It takes time. And in the time, we all are there. Our heart is going out with all of you. God bless all of you, and the souls who departed from us, let all your souls rest be in peace. Thank you.